All right, welcome to the end of day review for today. And today is August the 10th, 2023, Thursday. The CBI data released today at 9 at 8:30 right here. Before we go to the detail of the trade we took today, we took one trade today, and it's a real trade. I just want us to look at the 4-hour time frame to have a roughly idea how the liquidity will run today and how the market moved today. Okay, look at this. Right, you see on Sunday, gives me all of a sudden, you see it open real high, it take the buy sell liquidity of the prior swing high of prior week, and then boom, it stopped there, and then it hunt for sell side liquidity on Monday. I mean on Tuesday. You look at that. Okay, so it hunt for sell side on Tuesday, and it clear sell side liquidity one more time on Wednesday, and look at today, it clear one more time liquidity right here. So it's 1, 2, 3 times. Very interesting. But you see that the buy side liquidity here is still trapped. It's not clear yet. So that is something for to entertain the idea that maybe Thursday will be the low of the week. It will reversal on Friday. It will go and check the buy side liquidity right here. Similar this scenario that we are entertainment on Monday, right? So we wanted to move up here, right? At first we thought that it's gonna pull back nice, but it pulled back all the way here. It takes a liquidity, and then we wanted to go up here to break this bearish upper block. It happened today. Look at that, that's amazing. It happened today. However, it not break it yet. It just go half of that's this order block, and then rejects it, boom, going down. And look at how we anticipate going down at this level, but today it go all the way down to clear sell side liquidity. So it's very interesting to see how we entertain the idea and how it's play out. Okay, so the only scenario for us look like this is the low of the week. Then tomorrow it will reverse and it go up here, break this one and retest and go. So let's see how it's play out for tomorrow. That's the first thing we see, overall how the market move this week with the CBI week. The second thing we want to point out is the pattern that we are trying to build right now is we base on the first candle of the trading day, right? This is the pre-market, overnight pre-market. We just try to pay attention of the candle at night, 4-hour time frame on Monday. You see, we have some stack up here. We have maximum the data set for 1 year right there, 360 day. So it's almost, I don't know why they don't go up to 65 day, but they only 60 day, maybe only 60 day for trading and 5 day off trading. That could be the reason. All right, so why is, give me just a second. So basically on Monday, the 9 o'clock we run the stack is up 50%. So it's 50% up and 50% down. And on Monday, the next candle at 13 hour is up 60. It up and then it down 32%. That means that it have F4 down 50%. Okay, so we are up or down 50%. On Tuesday, yeah, it's at 50%. But anyway, we pay attention to see how it moves around this level. You see, this level is like a magnet. The price move around there. Can you see that? So if you see it move up there and short them, if it go down that level, then go long. So this morning it go, I thought it could break the level at one time, go up all the way here. Right, so just pay attention to this candle and how price react to that level, how the liquidity, rests above and below that level. Well, that's two things I want to point out on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, and now go to the trade. All right, before we go to the trade that we took today, go to the trade that we mix a minute. So basically we are better now. We make the trade only a minute, and next time we can mix the trade within minute. Then and after that we can take the trade in real time right there. So here's the idea that we make the trade in 1 minute, a minute. Okay, here's the let me pull out the journal. Okay, so for today we see that a weekly profile we observe several conditions, right? We know the Monday 4-hour time frame at 9 o'clock is up close candle, but for Tuesday the 9 o'clock is down close, but the 13 candle is up close. For Wednesday is down close. Then we see weekly profile. We thought that Wednesday low is week low, right? That's before pre-market. Now we have answer that Wednesday is not the week low, but actually no, the sell side looks clear, and it leads to now Thursday. We don't know, right? We still have one more day to go. Low, but currently right now it's the week low with the question mark right there, right? And we saw the buy side liquidity were trapped, and we saw sell side liquidity were swept on Tuesday, Wednesday. So it's a perfect for it to go in and go long, but we missed the trade. Here's what does mean. Okay, so before we go to here, right at 9:30 right here, we see that the sell side liquidity is swept around 1, 2, and we see that the buy side liquidity were trapped right there. You see that? That's what we mean by trapping. That means it make a low. See right there, right? 1, 2 trap right there. That means is there are lots of buy side liquidity were trapped here, haven't sweep, yes. So when we go into 930, we should go long. Right here, it will go sweep buy sell liquidity. Exactly what happened. It sweep right there. It take out all the buy sell liquidity and boom, it going down. It take another sell liquidity. So we missed the trade on the 5-minute time frame. Very beautiful trade. Let's look at 5-minute time frame. We can see. So we just look at 4-hour time frame. Give us a high level of the high time frame liquidity pool where it goes. So it don't go to buy side liquidity because they are trapped. It's a trap up there. And now we go to 5 minutes to see how it's play out. And how did we miss the trade? Okay, so we make right here. I did take the screenshot just 8 minutes after this setup go from. Okay, let's check the screenshot. Let's look at the screenshot, right? Yeah, here if we put in our journal, so it's a long setup. So basically, just only 30 minutes, you get the huge move right here. Let's look at the other one. Right here. So right here we catch this movement when it make the second candle right there. We should go right here at right here. You see that? It's auto block right here, fair gap and retest right there. It's so nice, so perfect right there. And we late in 8 minutes. You see the time stamp right here, 38, right? 38, which is Central Time, which is Eastern Time will be 9:38. So it opened at 9:30. So we late in 8 minutes right there. It's a huge giant move right there. So we should put our stop loss doing our entry right here and our stop loss right here. But anyway, we mix that trade right there. It's beautiful trade. Let's go back to the chart to see right here. We mix right here. So if we go late right here, let's see how much uptrend we can go. If we go late right here, wow, we still have more than $1 move right there. Okay, I see. Not too late if we just enter here, but anyway, we are late on that. Yeah, that's the trade I wanted to tell right there. It's auto block, displacement, federal gap, retest. We're going at 9:30. Boom. If we capture the whole move, it will be make this much money. $3.43 right there. Yeah, but if you go late, you go to this one, go to this level, you still catch a fairly good move, $2 right there. And let's see how much we reach. Let's say we put all the way here. Wow. Ooh. Auto block. Let's go with this. So you reach about 84 cents. Yeah, right. You want your stop loss just below this. So it's about 1 to 3 or 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. ratio right there. Yes, that's the trade we missed. And it hit exactly into the zone that we are, put the notation up here is a so-called supply zone right there with the red color right there. Basically, it's the bearish order block. And we anticipate that this is the range that it's gonna move. Exactly, it happened. You see, in this range, it moved around that range. Go from there and go down here and hit here. Man. Yep, that's the trade we missed. Okay, let's look at another trade. The short setup, we also missed that trade. Right, so we have a very good high quality setup right here. The buy side liquidity were taken and the sell side liquidity were trapped. So that's the good recipe for you to go short right there. Okay, let's look on the 1 minute time frame to see what does it mean. So right here, we can go in right here, and our very conservative target is right here, but actually it moved all the way down. See this our order block? It is the retest, or you have another order block right here, and you can do 1018. That's our entry. Let's go back to the chart to see. This is a 5 minute. Let's go back to the 1 minute chart. Okay, let me turn off the fair value gap indicator, the bubble chart. It's easy to see. So we have right here, 18 right here. Yes, if we're going right here, right, and this is our order block, and put the stop loss above this one, 5 cents. What the high of this one? 43. Right, what the high of this one? Just 44. So if we're 5 cents above this block, we're still in the trade when it pull back right there. And look at that. It hit this one, and it go all the way down here. Oh man, look at the giant move right there. It's our first target right here, right? We did one first target right here, but it's going more. Look at how much we make. From here, put all the way to here. It hit this target. $5 move. Man, come on, my friend. Oof, right here at 12. Hit $5 move at 12 or at 1 p.m. or 13 hour. So that's the second trade short that we are missed right there. Well, when it pulled back here without a retracement, and then it's gonna go up, but it did not. Right, it did not plan out that scenario, but it continues to go down. Okay, the reason why we say that it's a good trade, you know why? Because we see that right here. Is that what we mean that it moves some of this? Okay, so we say buy sell liquidity were taken, right? and we go in here at 10.18 because we see all this is another out block right here, and it not close above that other block, right? So and we see the short term right here from this level. The short term sell we were trapped, so this is reliable. Go down, take it, and then pull back again, and continue to go down. Right, that is the trade that we are miss. Actually, we do practice. We take that trade. However, we are move stop loss to break even. As soon as we saw it move down here, move stop loss to break even right around here, and then we got hit right there. So that's the lesson we learned. 10.44 right here. We don't know if start not moving to here at 10.44. What is 10.44? Right here, that's the target we hit. That the first target in this error, but actually if we let it run, it continues to go down into $5 move right there. So that's a lesson for us right there. We learn very big lesson right here. Our idea short it beautifully, but we move stop loss break even too early. Yeah, we need to note this so we can learn. So the huge move right here. Yeah, let's make this to be on way and on the right there. So the target down here on the sell side liquidity. Let me see, sell side liquidity. Hit it. We take the sell side liquidity from yesterday low. Look at that. 1350. Yeah, right here. Let's move this a little bit further out here. We need to check this screenshot right here. It's a giant move. Right here, 1356, which is the previous day low. Private day low right there. Who have thought of that? I don't thought that it's gonna all the way down. So that's the lesson learned for it right there. $6 move. Oh man. Prior day low hit at 1355 and it's a what? $6.57 move. Man, Look at that. Beautiful trade that we made. So we put in here targets. His target in this case is prior day low, and it's a sell liquidity where he's at 13 something. Alright, what 13.57. What our entry? We can entry right here, right? 31, or we can entry at 18. Entry time 10, 18, or 10:31. Is it 10:31? Yes. So basically you have a very beautiful trade here. Okay, now go a little bit, you have about 4 minutes. Go to the trade, real trade we take right here, and it's a not successful trade, right? But it provides a very valuable lesson for us. So here's the setup that we saw. We saw is here's right here. So from last time when the CPI come out on last month, it has make a huge run, and it go all the way back to test, the 930, and then it boom, it go up. So we thought that it would be the same, so we saw that it go right here to retest it. You see the reject right there. I mean, right here we thought it perfect for it to go long, and that's the reason we take the trade. And we put a stop loss 5 cents below here, and it turned out that it's continued to clear. I have more sell liquidity down here, and then it is stopped out, and we lost 40 cents. Yep. So it provides a value lesson for us. Not a successful trade, but it provides a huge lesson for it right there. The lesson for it is that there's so many buy-sell liquidity right here. When look at the 4-hour time frame, right, we can see the reason why it go further out to take more sell liquidity. Because you see right here the huge rejection right there. That means it just try to sweep the buy-sell liquidity and go down. It does not stop, take the buy-sell liquidity, sell liquidity. It will take it because this is a grab the buy-sell liquidity and then grab sell liquidity both end. So that's the nature right there that we need to learn. We only go long if we see that, right here it's a shallow pullback and continue to go up, but right here it go deep into this below the Monday right there, and this order block, then we should not engage in the long right there. Oh, right here also, if above this level, then we have it. Let me see. Yeah, we're still above that level, just below. But anyway, we learned the lesson right there. We should wait a little bit more if we want it to go long. Right, let it clear the buy side liquidity. Yep. All right, I think we're done for this week. We're not going to take any real trade. Tomorrow we practice again. So again, this week we take one trade, and it's not a successful trade, and it provides us a huge, value feedback for it right there. What else we want to say before we conclude right here? All right, I think that's it for now. Talk to you later. Bye bye. Thank you.